Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the Soundcore frames that were sent over to me by Soundcore themselves for my honest review. Now these are Bluetooth audio sunglasses. So they are very unique. I've never used anything like this. And we're going to be going over two things in particular. How good are they when it comes to being actual sunglasses, and how good are they when it comes to being headphones? Because it's basically both of those two things combined. The unboxing experience is quite nice. Inside the box, obviously you get the sunglasses, but you'll also get a user manual, a wire to charge them, and a carrying case as well that is very nice. Now I wanted to first talk about how they are when it comes to being actual sunglasses. Now it does say that all the lenses are polarized, so that is definitely something that I would like to see, and I'm very happy that they are. I did test it and it did obviously help in the sun a lot, but from my experience, they were pretty nice and they got the job done. The one thing I will say is on the ones I have, which are the Soundcore Frames Landmark Edition in the black color, the sunglasses don't cover the outer edges all that well. You can still see some light going in. I have no complaints when it comes to how they work as sunglasses, because I think they do a really good job of doing so. Now what I don't think they do a really good job of is sound quality. These, you want to use them as headphones, but the problem is they're playing music through the sides of the sunglasses, so on the part that goes around your ears. And the problem with this is it does use some sort of like open back sound. So that means if you're going somewhere or if you're with people, everyone will be able to hear it if it's at a certain volume. Now they do have a software and it works with their Soundcore app, and you can turn on privacy mode, and that basically lowers the volume. And what I did notice is that the sound quality sounded better when I had the privacy mode on. Now because these aren't in your ears or anything like that, you're not going to get that bass or anything super crisp. It just sounds average. I feel like these are a fashionable replacement to AirPods, because AirPods sit on your ear and they don't go inside your ear. And I feel like this sort of is similar, because the music is obviously not playing into directly your ear, and it's not jammed in there, like the driver isn't in there, so you can still hear everything around you, which is a really good concept, because you do want to hear your surroundings while listening to music when you're walking around, and I really like that. There are EQ settings in the app that you can make up your own custom EQ or use the ones that they have there for you, so that'll obviously help if you want to make the sound more personalized to you. Because out of the box, these do sound very flat, and if you like that, then these are perfect for you. But if you don't like that, then you would probably have to go into the EQ settings and try to mess around with stuff. Another cool feature these sunglasses have is that it can detect when these are on your face and when you take them off, and it'll pause and play the music off of that. Also, they have touch controls on the side, so you double tap to pause and play, and swiping back and forth can take you to the previous or next track. Overall, I say they're a very unique concept. I really like what they're going for. I think they look great on you. I think they feel great on you. They work great as sunglasses. But for me personally, it's really hard for me to find a use case scenario where I would use these as anything other than just sunglasses, where I'd actually take advantage of the Bluetooth audio for these sunglasses. Either A, the music won't be loud enough because the people around you will be very noisy and you won't be able to hear it, or B, it's too quiet and then the people around you will hear your music and that could become a disturbance for everyone around you. And another thing I didn't really know was, who is this product for? I'm kind of trying to still understand that even while recording this video, because I don't really know. I'm assuming it's for people that want to wear these as a fashion statement while still simultaneously listening to music and hearing their surroundings, maybe to go matching, because honestly, wireless earbuds and headphones and stuff like that don't look the greatest if you're trying to look nice. They sort of look tacky, so wearing something like this could combine the fashion side and tech side, which is a very cool thing to think about, combining fashion and tech, and maybe that is the market they're going for. Personally, they're not really for me when it comes to the Bluetooth audio side of things, but I'll definitely be using them as regular sunglasses. Let me know who you think these sunglasses are for in the comments down below, and if you do want to buy them, they'll be in the description below. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.